94 of teaching you a random Spanish word from the dictionary, Halloween edition. Tomorrow is Halloween, and tomorrow is the last Halloween word. But for today, we have spiderweb, 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 spiderweb. In Spanish, you say telaraña, 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 telaraña. So, tela is like a silk of some sort, and araña is spider. So I guess we say silk spider for spider web. Telaraña, telaraña, telaraña. For example, I guess you can say the spider made a spider web. I don't know.